Contestant ka din? So, taga-saan ka sa Pilipinas?
Quezon, Lucena.
Quezon.
Quezon Province, Lucena City.
Oh, wow. Gano'n ka nakatagal dito sa UK?
6 years.
Anong trabaho mo?
Receptionist.
Receptionist dito. So, nag-work ka 6 years. So, first time mo bang sumali sa ganitong competition?
Hindi naman. I joined normally in London because this is Birmingham pageant and most of my friends are from here, so I tried to join in it. But just one week ago, I just won one pageant in London. It's Alternative Miss London 2010. I won. I won the best in costume and overall winner. So I got so tired.
So, palagay mo this time, malaki ba yung chance mo?
Well, alam mo kasi, beauty pageant is like as gamble, you know. There's no certain because of the judges. You know, different judges and different way of looking at the person. Thank you. Bye-bye!
Tapos tingin ka lang sa amin. Ayan. Pero isang pwedeng kayong sabihin nila, hi, ako si ganito at ganyan kami yung host sa pageant. Tapos kung ano masasabi
Tell us if you're ready.
Okay.
Okay. Hello, good evening. My name is Ara.
Hello, good evening. My name is Tiffany.
And we are the hosts for tonight's affair. It's the Miss Tigre Pageant 2010, which is the first beauty pageant held here in Birmingham, United Kingdom. Of course, there will be 9 lovely candidates who will vying for this crown for tonight. And of course, there were actually, the past few weeks, the candidates were quite, how do you call this? They were screened, which is called Hit 1 and Hit 2 Tiffany, wasn't it? It was October 5 and October 12.
But the lovely girls are excited and frightened, but then, you know, we as hosts, we're gonna make them comfortable.
Yes.
So, marami bang Filipino na candidates?
Yes, I think there will be several Filipinos. I think probably around 4 or 5 Filipinos.
Actually,
Oh,
6.
6 Filipinos. Yes.
In one heat, 4 Filipinos.
Were, yeah. Because actually in the Hit 1, there were 10 candidates. They were round down to 5 candidates, and 4 Filipinos were in on the particular Hit 1. And hence the Hit 2, which was October 12, there were only 2 Filipinos, and the rest were like British and Indian.
Pero hindi siya organized ng Filipino, tama?
No, it's not organized by a Filipino. It's organized by a British.
So it means medyo, kumbaga, itong event na to, big event siya.
Yes, it's a big event talaga. Kaya excited din kami kasi kami ang kinuwang host din, mga Pilipino. So we're very, very proud. Tapos we make Philippines proud as well kasi maraming Pilipino kasi ang nakasali sa top 9, no?
Kayo ba first time yung mag-host? O
No,
tabang-tabang kayo dito?
We hosted before, last year. We were invited as hosts as well.
Yeah, it was Miss Amazing Tigre. That was November, di ba? Tapos Filipino ang nag-organize nun.
Filipino ang nag-organize.
Maganda din yun.
Yeah, and the winner was Filipino.
Kung ang gay community dito, may gay community ba ang Filipino dito? Or marami ba kayo?
Wala namang specific talaga na gay community kasi malaki kasi ang Birmingham. So, it's spread whole. Kasi kami mga Pilipino rin dito, konti lang, magtipon-tipon kami, tapos pumunta kami sa mga gay bars, ganon, masaya.
Masaya. So, anong work niyo dito? Anong trabaho niyo dito?
Yeah, mga nurses.
Wow, okay mga nurses. Gano'n na kayo katagal dito sa UK?
I was here 11 years.
I'm here 10 years.
Mga British citizens na kayo, I assume.
Thank God.
So, saan kayo sa Pilipinas?
Taga Cebu ako po.
I'm from Manila.
Manila. Okay. Sige, thank you. Sabihin niyo ulit.
My name is Ara.
My name is Tiffany.
Pero yung talaga kayo, yung sa Pilipinas.
Si Junjun po.
Si Edgar.
Okay. Sige, so it means nag-i-enjoy kayo dito sa UK.
Yes, we are very, very excited now because the show is gonna start at around 8 in the evening, and the candidates are just preparing themselves as well. So, keep the ball rolling.
So, palagay niyo malaking chance manalo ang Pilipino.
Hopefully, yes.
I think malakas.
Pero fair naman, it doesn't mean na dahil kayo yung host na ba?
Well,
So it's fair.
It's fair.
It depends on their performance tonight.
That's why they have to give their best shot. tonight.
Okay. So, talagang itong mga ganitong gay competitions dito sa UK, masasabi niyo ba na mas open dito kaysa sa Pilipinas?
Oo naman. Oo naman. Kasi walang racism kasi dito. Well, wala namang makikita kahit saan ka ata may konting racism. Pero wala naman ngayon. Wala. Okay naman.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Mabuhay Pilipinas!
Mabuhay Pilipinas. Love you. Bye.
Sana kayo, kunin lang kayo ng parang, so you can, you know, film their outfit. Sharon Cuneta.
Shall we?
Sharon!
Okay. Are you ready, Z? Yep. So alam naman sa Pilipinas, I mean, kayo, di ba? Ang tanggap naman ng family na what you're doing here, like, you know, dressing up, or before ba kayo umalis sa Pilipinas, talagang open na kayo.
Hindi. Very close, actually.
They will be shocked. Mama, Papa.
We will be shocked. But anyway, it's just
But
for
they
fun.
know. Yeah, but they know naman. Diba?
They know,
They know.
yes. But, ang aso na kasi because ang asa mahigpit kasi sa atin, di ba? Especially, I came from a very religious family. Pero mahirap din, pero they can understand.
So is
because
it your
it's only
first
for
time to
fun.
see this na nakapambabae kayo?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, see you.
Thank you.
Mapanood sa Pilipinas na rin.
You're a sexy bitch, yeah.
Okay, hello. So, ano namang pangalan mo? Cassandra May Madrigal. Pero ang iyong Filipino name?
I'm Joe.
Joe. Okay, saan ka sa Pilipinas?
I'm from Cork, Cavite.
Bacoor, Cavite. Gaano ka nakatagal dito sa
8 years.
8 years. Anong trabaho mo dito?
Radiographer. Radiographer in MRI and CT scan.
Ah, wow. Ano, okay. So, pumunta ka talaga dito kasi yun yung work mo.
Yun yung work ko.
Okay. So, first time mo lang sumali sa ganitong competition?
This is my second time.
Second time. So, sa Pilipinas ba sumasali ka sa mga ganitong
I'm a
pageant?
straight guy in the Philippines back home.
Talaga? So, mga gano'n ka nakatagal na... I mean, dito ka lang talaga sa UK mo na-realize?
Yeah, just only 3 years. Now I have a boyfriend. I'm leaving Cork now. I have a boyfriend also in here.
Pero sinabi mo sa Pilipinas, straight guy ka pa. So, ibig sabihin, late bloomer ka lang dito mo sa Pilipinas na UK na.
Dito na lang sa UK. Influences by friends.
Okay.
So I'm just enjoying myself.
Yeah. So, alam naman na sa family mo na
Alam nila na gay ako, but hindi nila alam na difference ako.
nalaman ko lang dito ka lang. Dito ka lang. So, dito mo lang din sinabi.
Dito rin, first time sa TV.
Okay. Kinakabahan ka ba sa
Medyo, kasi medyo stiff ang competition ng galing lahat ng girls. So, hopefully, I'll get the crown.
So, palagi mo may laban ka?
Well, I'll do my best.
Anong talent mo?
I'll be dancing Egyptian belly dancing.
Ano naman ang ano ulit pangalan mo?
Cassandra May.
Cassandra May. So, sinabi mo sa akin sa Pilipinas, hindi ka pa naman ganyan. Hindi ka naman nag-girlfriend sa Pilipinas. So, Cassandra May. Okay. So, nag-enjoy ka dito sa UK.
Nag-enjoy ako. I have a nice group of friends and
Ano masasabi mo pagdating sa palagay mo ba mas accepted ang mga gays dito kaysa sa Pilipinas?
accepted ng mga gays. Especially those gays who are dressing up other than
Anong meron ka, okay, ito ba ang competition, anong meron ka na wala yung iba na palagay mo ikakapanalo mo?
natural, not been under anesthetic yet or any surgery. So it's all natural. I think I have the guts.
Balak mo bang mag-change? Wala kang plan?
I still respect my culture and tradition, especially my parents.
In the Philippines. Okay, so kailan ka huling umuwi sa Pilipinas?
Every year. Just last year, last January.
Ang boyfriend mo ba po? Napakilala mo na sila na.
Makilala ko na siya. This is gonna be his third time to go home. So he's okay with it.
Okay naman. Okay,
He's well
thank you.
accepted. Thank you.
Thank you, Cassandra. Good luck.
Thank you.
Siya yung unang organizer.
Yeah, she did the previous pageant.